Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And this is St. Patrick's Day, y'all. So I have this mask that I got from a dear subscriber, Brenda, and I've been holding this and waiting to use this on St. Patrick's Day. So let's get this on, and I'm going to hashtag Face Mask Friday. That is something that Chelsea Gainey and Lori Latimer do. And I hope it's okay with them that I'm gonna just put myself in with them today, if they're doing the masks today. But I just thought I would do that. I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about St. Patrick and some what do you call it, trivia. So let me get this on. It's folded in half, and it's okay. There it goes. I was gonna say I can't get it unfolded, but look how beautiful it is, y'all. Oh, and I'm wearing the crown because y'all told me I should wear the crown on St. Patrick's Day, so I'm wearing it for this. I'm not going to wear this crown all the time. Don't worry about it. I don't really think I'm a queen. But anyway, I love, oh my, look how pretty that is, y'all. And I need soothing under my eyes so bad. I don't know about y'all, but this time change, even though I do like it's lighter out. It's dark in the morning when I go to work, but it's lighter out when I get off work, and it's light out when I get off work, and I like that. So that's okay with me. But does the time change hit you? It hits me so hard, y'all. No matter which way we go, no matter if we gain an hour or lose an hour, but I feel like I've lost a week, not just an hour. This is staying on so well. This is Vitamasks Lucky Clover Eye Day Bright. Very, very nice. And it says it's a cooling eye sheet. That's how it feels. Metallic clover print. It's free of all the stuff, parabens and formaldehyde, all that kind of stuff. So it says 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, I have some trivia about St. Patrick just because I thought it would be interesting. So I was raised and knowing a lot about different saints. So St. Patrick, you know, he's just a special guy. Of which country is St. Patrick the patron saint? And I think we all would know that the answer to that is Ireland. But where was the real St. Patrick born? He was actually born in Britain. So what happened to St. Patrick at age 16 before becoming a priest was he was abducted and brought to Northern Ireland. That's how he got to Ireland. And then why is St. Patrick's Day celebrated on March 17th? It's because it's the day that he passed away. So I just thought that was interesting. So what demographic group was largely responsible for shifting St. Patrick's Day from a religious observation to a secular one? And that would be Irish immigrants in the U.S., in the United States. Right here, we did it. We made this day a famous day. So where and when was the first St. Patrick's Day parade ever recorded? That would be St. Augustine, Florida in 1601. The area was then a Spanish colony, but it had an Irish vicar. And where and when was the first St. Patty's Day parade in the British American colonies? It was in Boston in 1737. Where and when was the first St. Patrick's Day parade in Ireland? And that was so much later in 1903 in the Irish town of Waterford. And then Dublin followed by starting a parade there in 1931. So according to Irish lore, what animal did St. Patrick drive out of Ireland? Does everybody know that? And he can have them back, or they can have them back. It would be snakes. My understanding is there are no snakes at all in Ireland, and that is the Irish lore, is that he drove them out. But I have some friends in England, and they have told me some things, now I can't remember what they are, but like some things that we have here in the States, they don't have at all. I wish I could remember something. Like an animal that we have here, they don't have at all. And I know that there's different animals around the world, that we see like in Australia and stuff like that, but England, I just think so much like the US. I don't know. So and they also don't have some of the diseases that we have. I wish I could remember some of those. I'm sorry that I don't know. If you know, put it below, okay? This is so moisturizing. It feels so good, I have to say. And I just think it's so pretty. I love the way that, it's metallic, so they sparkle in the light. Beautiful. What do the 3 leaves of a shamrock symbolize on St. Patrick's Day? that would be the Holy Trinity, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. According to the legend that St. Patrick used the shamrock to illustrate the concept to potential converts, it can also symbolize love, hope, and faith. And what American city has dyed its river green every St. Patrick's Day since 1962? And you all know where I'm from, so it's Chicago. I recently on Instagram have shown a couple of films of it happening, and because they did it, they usually do the dyeing the river green the weekend before St. Patrick's Day, and St. Patrick's Day is here on a Friday, so they wouldn't do it tomorrow because that would be too late. So they did it last weekend. So what they use to keep the river, years ago, the river was not clean, was not good, it was not nice. It would stink if you'd go by the river. But they took great, great expense and everything to get it cleaned up. So now you can go by the river. There's beautiful shopping and and all kinds of high rises, and it's just it's very beautiful. Restaurants, things like that, in the Michigan Avenue area, and things like that. So they really took a lot to clean it up. So they wanted to not destroy that with the green stuff. So what they use is 40 pounds of green vegetable dye. And that's what they've been using recently for the last 2 years. I don't know how long. They didn't do that originally, but over the years they've learned to do that. Here comes the train for St. Patrick's Day. So that is my St. Patrick's Day trivia. I thought that was a lot of fun. If you're following it all, the treasure trove and the bonuses, I did find it was very hard to find something green for the bonus, y'all. But I found this e.l.f. lip exfoliator. This is really nice, y'all. It looks like a bullet lipstick, and what it is it's an exfoliator for your lips. So I actually have one that I'm using in a different brand right now, and especially when you have a dark lippy on or a red lippy on and it's hard to get off, you just turn this open and put it on like you would a lipstick, and then exfoliate the lipstick off of your lips. So that will be for that. And I think that's really about it. I will tag Chelsea Gainey and Lori Latimer in the description so you can go and see them if you don't know them yet. They're really nice channels, great channels. Chelsea is a young lady, and she does all kinds of collabs, and she does beautiful makeup. She does fun and exciting and different kind of makeup, and she's just to me she's a kid. She's just a sweetheart, and you'll really like her channel. She does masks on Friday, and she's been doing that for a long time. And then Lori Latimer does Mask Mondays on on Mask Monday like the rest of us. I followed suit. I followed her. There were several people that started Mask Monday, that started doing it, and Lori Latimer came up with the hashtag Mask Monday Ladies. So I always use that hashtag. I also use Mask Monday Friends and just Mask Monday. And then for today, I'll use Face Mask Friday, because that's what the two ladies use. And Lori Latimer's channel, she does a lot of makeup and skincare. She does beautiful get ready. They both do beautiful get ready with me's. They both are very, very good at that, are very, expert at it, and know a lot about makeup, know a lot about skincare. Lori knows a lot about skincare, and she talks about that. And she does lives on Sunday night. It's usually, I'm usually in bed, so I miss it, but I try to watch them, afterwards. And she knows a lot about skincare, and she's just a lovely, lovely lady as well. And so go see both of them if you don't know them, and go check them out and see if you like their channels, and I bet you will, and then subscribe to them. And thanks for stopping by for this St. Patrick's Day mask, which I just am loving. And it's been on almost 10 minutes. I'm going to keep it on a little bit longer, y'all. So y'all take care. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Go, let's see, it's morning when you're seeing this, unless you're seeing this later in the day or the next day. But I remember as a teenager, a friend of mine that I went to high school with, worked at a pizza joint. And we all went to the pizza joint after school, and her boss gave us green 7-Up. So that was way before they made Sprite, but they had put green food coloring in the 7-Up. We were too young for beer, but they were serving green beer, so he made us green 7-Up. So it was a lot of fun. So maybe y'all can have a green drink today for the holiday. And I hear that the Shamrock Shakes are back at McDonald's. So, you know, I usually like to get one of those every year, but I don't think I've had one in a while. But maybe I'll get one this year. But go check it out. Y'all take care. Count your blessings. Happy St. Patrick's Day.